Okay, so let's start with a new widget. So first, let's build an app bar. Inside scaffold, we have this property of app bar, and let's give it a title as new app. Okay, so today we will be building an application with a 2D array of widgets, and we can do this by using the widget grid view. So we have body and grid view dot count. So the grid view creates a 2D array of widgets, and so now uh, the cross-axis count states the number of columns we will have. So, for example, we have 2 columns. Inside that, we will have children and widget. Now, we'll make a container. Inside the container, let's add some text. So now, let's style it a bit. So we'll add color, the spacing or main axis spacing. So for example, if we have multiple widgets here, now as you can see, there is no spacing. So we'll give some spacing as cross-axis spacing 20, and it looks much better. It has round borders. So instead of all the containers, we will have card. Now, what if I want to add an image inside these cards instead of the text? So what I'll do is I'll just remove these colors and the text, and instead I'll add a container, and or I'll just add in directly an image. Inside the image widget, so I've already made a new folder assets, and inside that I have added 5 images. So instead, in this, I'll add image dot asset and the path of the image, which is assets slash images slash img1 dot jpg. Child. Okay. Yeah.
Those slash is wrong. You have to change that.
Sorry. Okay, so now can anyone tell me why I'm having this error? Why the image is not displaying? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Okay, so whenever you add an image to the Flutter, you need to tell that you have added assets. So inside the pubspec.yaml file, this file contains all the metadata and the dependencies. So in this file, you'll see that To add an image, you need to add it here. So I'll uncomment it. Now you can add all these 5 images individually, or you can add them by simply doing assets slash images slash. Now when you do this, all these 5 images will be added automatically. Now, okay, so after reloading, you will see an image here. And let's remove these two also and add image. So now, after it will get reloaded, you will see 3 images here. Okay. Um, Now, whenever you are trying to build something, there is a 99% chance that someone else has already built it. So there is this website, pub.dev, and there are a lot of packages that you can use. For example, if you had attempted the assignment 1, you would have added a package to use the icons of GitHub, etc. So if we go to font awesome icons, you can see that, 1 minute. Yeah. So this is the package which has a lot of icons. So, or if you want to build a swipe screen like swiper, so instead of building it from the scratch, you can use a package and install it inside your project. So let's start with the simple one. If you want to install this package, all you have to do is to add this inside pubspec.yaml. Now here, inside the dependencies, just add it and save the file. Now, inside the app bar, we have a property of leading. Now, to use this package, you can see we have an example here. After installing, first you need to import it in the file. So we'll copy this and import it. Now after importing, you can use it using this. So we'll go here and inside leading, we will simply add icon, font, awesome icons dot, for example, I want feather. So I'll save it and okay, it's taking a lot of time in reloading. So rerun it. And whenever we are working on a project, we have many screens and lots of widgets. So instead of styling every widget and giving color to every widget, what we can do is we can use theme data. So here in the material app has the property of theme, and theme data has lot of properties like primary color and indicator color, hint color, font family, and all these properties will be displayed across the whole project. So for example, um, I want to change the primary color to colors dot amber. So you can see it automatically changed, and now images are added too. So, or you can set the text theme too. So inside text theme, it takes the widget text theme, and now whenever you want to see the properties of any widget, just hover over it, and 1 minute. Yeah. So text theme has properties like body, subtitle, headline 1. So inside text theme, um, if I want to set the style of headline 4, for example, so I use text styling here, and inside text styling, I'll set the color as colors dot white or blue, and yeah, so save it. And now if I want to use this text theme inside my app bar, what I'll do is I'll go to the title, and inside title I'll set the style as theme of context. This means that we are using the theme of our project, and then we are choosing text theme, and inside text theme we want to select the style of headline 4. So headline 4, and when you will save it, you will see that whatever style we have set here, it will be displayed here too. And you can see that we have the blue color here. Now, if you want to remove this debug sign, app has a simple property. So just write debug show check mode banner and set it to false. It will get removed. Now, this doesn't look too great, so we'll style this a bit. Now, inside card, I'll give it a margin or in better. Let's set it to 20. So also grid view has this property that when these cards will overflow the screen, it will automatically scroll. So if we have these here and save it, so you'll see you will be able to scroll. Now let's style it more. Now you can also set the shape and the margins, colors of these cards. So let's change the shape, and inside shape we can set rectangular border. Um, So this one takes rounded rectangular border. Rounded, yeah, here it is. And inside that, we'll set the border as uh, okay, border radius dot all, and so okay, shape. There is some error. Rounded rectangular border, undefined name shape. Trying to. There is some bracket missing. Okay. Uh, Border radius. Mm,
You've closed card in the margin line.
yeah, I guess there is some bracket issue. Uh, can you tell me where?
Just above the shape line, line 49. You've closed card.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now it's working fine. So let's save it, and this card is okay. Border radius dot circular. This should work. Um, guess it's not okay. 20. Okay, we'll to see the change. Um, okay, there might be some issue. Let's see the other properties first. So now a card also has an elevation property. So we can set elevation as 5, for example, and you can see the difference here. You can see a bit elevation here as compared to the other cards. So now uh, let's move ahead and let's style the app bar. So inside app bar has properties like elevation, background color, text theme, icon theme, and also whenever you are setting the theme of the application, you can always override it by setting other themes and specifying it explicitly. For example, inside the new app, um, inside app bar, I can set the background color as colors dot black. So it will override the one specified in the theme. Now, if you guys have any doubts, you can ask in the chat.